So the topic for today is the modulus and conjugate of a complex number. Right? We know that a complex number is of the form a plus iota b. Right? Let z is equals to a plus iota b be a complex number. Then if we want to find the modulus, we know that for a real number the mod value is given by the positive value, right? Like minus 2 is given to you, right? And mod of minus 2, you know, it is mod of minus 2 is 2, mod of 2 is 2, right? But it is bit different when we are talking of a complex number, right? What is the mod value of a complex number? So the modulus of a complex number, z is denoted by z modulus, like this, two vertical lines, two parallel lines, is equals to square root a square. A square means real part of complex number plus b square. B square means the imaginary part. So z modulus is equals to square root real z square of that and imaginary z square of that. What you have to take care, they don't put iota. Some students, what they do, z mod is equals to a square plus iota b square. Then that will be wrong. Z mod is equals to square root of a square plus b square. This is modulus, right? This is modulus of a complex number. Now we talk of conjugate. What is conjugate of a complex number? The conjugate we denoted with z and bar above, right? And what is conjugate? Changing. Conjugate means changing iota to minus iota. This we have to do. So z is equals to a plus iota b. We will only change the iota. So a will be as it is, b is as it is. To iota we have done minus iota, right? Now I am taking two examples, one for the modulus and one for the conjugate. First I am taking mod of 3 plus iota. It will be square root 3 square plus iota. The iota, I can write iota into 1. So it is 3 square plus 1 square. 3 3s are 9. 1 square 1, which mean root 10 is the answer. Same way, if I have example, find conjugate of minus 3 iota minus 5. So it will be minus 3 iota. Iota we will change. Now minus will become plus, right? Minus 3 iota will become plus 3 iota and minus 5 as it is. This is conjugate of minus 3 iota minus 5. This is how to find conjugate of a number. Now we will take more examples. Take z is equals to 2 minus 3 iota. Now find modulus of this number. This will be 2 square plus minus 3 square, right? A is 2 and B is minus 3. When we are comparing it with z is equals to a plus iota b. So which is equals to 2 2s are 4 plus 3 3s are 9 is equals to root 13. Same way, if I have to find z bar for the same number, it is 2 minus 3 iota bar. It will be 2 minus iota, we will change to plus iota 3 as it is, right? Take more examples. Z is equals to minus 4 minus 2 iota. Then z modulus is equals to under root minus 4 square plus minus 2 square is equals to 4 4s are 16, 2 2s are 4, it is equals to square root 20. Then for the same z we are finding conjugate. It is minus 4 minus 2 iota, conjugate of that. Minus 4 is real as it is. Iota we will change to minus iota, we will change the sign. If minus sign is there, it will be plus. If plus sign is there, it will be minus. So this is z conjugate. So very simple, how to find conjugate and modulus of a complex number. Now it comes how to find multiplicative inverse, Z inverse. We will actually calculate how to find multiplicative inverse. So Z inverse we can write 1 upon Z. Now Z is given a plus iota b. So 1 upon Z will be 1 upon 1 plus iota b. Now you know that whenever complex number is in the denominator, we rationalize. So it will be into a minus iota b upon a minus iota b. So which will be equal to a minus iota b upon. Here we will apply the formula. Which formula? X minus y into x plus y is equals to x square minus y square. So it will be x square means a square, y is iota b, right? This whole term is x and iota b is y. So a minus iota b upon a square minus iota square into b square. Iota square, you know. What is the value of iota square? Iota square is equals to minus 1. So we are putting the value iota square is minus 1. So it is a square minus minus plus b square. Now note that if z is equals to a plus iota b, then what will be z conjugate? It will be a minus iota b, right? And what is z modulus? It is root of a square plus b square. So what will be square of z modulus? Square root will be cancelled. It will be a square plus b square. So this means 1 upon z, right, which was z inverse, can be written as a minus iota b can be written as z bar upon a square plus b square can be written as modulus z square. So z inverse can also be written as z bar upon mod z square, right? So that means multiplicative inverse, we have derived the formula that multiplicative inverse of a complex number z is equals to z bar, its conjugate upon mod square. So whenever we have to find multiplicative inverse, either we can apply formula or we can rationalize, right? So we will go back to the previous slide. So here is the output, z inverse is equals to 1 upon a plus iota b, which we have proved it is a minus iota b, right? A minus iota b upon a square plus b square, which is z modulus, z conjugate upon z modulus square. So this is z inverse. Now we will find multiplicative inverse of 2 minus 3 iota. We have two ways. So one is multiplicative inverse means 1 upon 2 minus 3 iota. So whenever complex number is in the denominator, remember we will rationalize. So same steps we will follow. I have multiplied with the opposite sign number 2 plus 3 iota and divided with 2 plus 3 iota. If the sign is minus here, we will take plus. If the sign is plus here, we will take minus. So we will be having 2 plus 3 iota in the denominator. It is just like x minus y into x plus y. It is 2 square minus 3 iota square. Right, we have applied the formula. You will write because x minus y into x plus y is equals to x square minus y square. So now we will simplify. It will be 2 plus 3 iota upon 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9 into iota square. 2 plus 3 iota. 2 2s are 4. Iota square you will put minus 1, so it will be plus 9. So it will be 2 plus 3 iota upon 4 plus 9 is 13, which can be written as 2 by 13 plus 3 by 13 iota. So this is the answer. Whenever we have to find the multiplicative inverse, in the last we will represent in the form complex number a plus iota b, right? So we will always express in the term a plus iota b, whether it is asked or not, right? Now we will be doing its alternate method also. So let z is equals to 2 minus 3 iota. Then z conjugate is equals to its conjugate. That means change iota to minus iota. It will be 2 plus 3 iota. Now z modulus is equals to root of 2 square, right, plus minus 3 square is equals to square root. 2 2s are 4 plus 9, it is root 13. And squaring both sides, it will be 13. Now the formula z inverse is equals to z conjugate upon z mod square. Put the value of z conjugate, it is 2 plus 3 iota. Put the value of z mod square, it is 13, which can be written as 2 upon 13 plus 3 upon 13 iota, which is expressed in the form a plus iota b. So you can verify both the answers are same, right? But we have applied